Next is what here? Classes. Next is what here? Now see here. This is one class. This is one what here? Class. Okay. This is the opening and this is the closing of this class. This is what here? Opening and this is the closing of this class. In this class, this is what here? Variables and this is a function. Okay. In the class, this is what here? Variables and functions. In this class, this is what here? Variables and function, and this is a definition of the class. Class is collection of variable and function. Class is collection of what here? Variable and function. Now see here, this variable is called as a data member. This variable is called as what here? Data member. And this function is called as what here? Member functions. Okay. Variables are called as what here? Data member, and function is called as what here? Member function. Means in short, this class is a collection of what here? Data member and member function. Class is collection of what here? Data member and member function. Now this is what here? Private. This is what here? Private means what here? Private means this data members are accessible only that in that class only. Means this member is accessible only from this opening to closing, not outside the class. Private members are accessible in that class only. Okay. This is what here? Public. Public means what? Public. Public members are accessible, visible outside the class also. Now see here, we can use this some data, show data in main also. Okay. Now once again, this is a class is a collection of what here? Variables and functions. Variables is called as a data member and function is called as what here? Member functions. Okay. Class terminate with what here? Semicolon. This class terminate with what here? Semicolon. Now see here, this is a class name and S1 and S2. S1 and S2 is a variable of type what here? Class small obj. Okay. This small obj is created by user. That's why it is called as what here? User defined type. This class is called as what here? Now S1 and S2 is what here? Variable of class small obj. Variable of class type is called as what here? Object. Variable of class type is called as what here? Means S1 and S2 is what here? Object. S1 S2 is what here? Now this S1, memory of this object is equals to memory of data members. Memory of object is equals to what here? Memory of data members. Means this S1 occupies what here? 2 plus 2, total 4 bytes of a memory. This S2 occupies what here? 2 plus 2 means what here? Total 4 bytes of memory. Here size of object S1 is what here? 4 bytes. Okay. While member function occupies memory once whenever they are defined inside the classes. This member function occupy memory once whenever they are defined inside the classes. Okay. Now see here, S1 dot some data. See, S1 and S2 is of this type. Means S1 consists of one set of some data and other data. S2 consists of what here? Some data and other data. Other data in a public section. That's why here this is accessible inside here main. Alright. S1 dot other data, S1 dot set data means we are setting the datas of S1. हमने क्या किया? S1 के data set किया. Okay. Now here we are using a what here? Member of the class by using a dot operator. Means class members are accessible by using what here? Dot operator. Okay. Now then here we are setting the data of S1. Similarly we are setting a data of S2, and here we are printing a data of S1 and S2. Okay. Now output of this program is what here? Yes, output of this program is what here? See here, this size of object is 4. Here this is a data of s1 and s2. Okay, now once again, class is collection of what here? Variables and functions. Class is collection of what? Variables are called as a data member of the class, and function is called as a member function of the class. Variable of class is called as what here? Variable of class is called as object. Variable of class is called as what here? Object. Memory of object is equals to sum of memory of only data members of that class. Class members are accessible by using a dot operator, right? Now this is here one question for you. Okay, here if you do not specify this private or public, what is a default access specifier? This is a question for you. Comment in the description box. Okay, now मीन्स व्हाट, अगर हमने यहाँ पे प्राइवेट भी नहीं दिया और पब्लिक भी नहीं दिया तो यहाँ पे डिफॉल्ट एक्सेस स्पेसिफायर कौन सा है? दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन. ओके, नाउ हमारा चैनल का नाम है प्रोग्रामिंग मास्टर. लाइक, सब्सक्राइब. थैंक यू.